Lock and key model proposed by Emil Fischer in 1894. Lock and key hypothesis assumes that active site of an enzyme are rigid in its shape. There is no change in the active site before and after a chemical reaction. See the induced fit model. It is a second model. More recent studies have revealed that the process is much more likely to involve an induced fit model proposed by Daniel Koch Land in 1958. According to this, exposure of an enzyme to substrate causes changes in enzyme, which causes the active site to changes its shape to allow enzymes and substrate to bind. See the induced fit hypothesis diagrammatically. Then induced fit model. See the substrate and this active site. Then we study the enzymes kinetics. The introduction about this. It is a branch of biochemistry in which we study the rate of enzyme catalyzed reactions. Kinetic analysis reveals the number and order of the individual steps by which enzymes transform substrate into product. Studying an enzyme's kinetics in this way can reveal the catalytic mechanism of the enzyme, its role in metabolism, how its activity is controlled, and how a drug or an agonist might inhibit the enzyme. Rates of reaction and their dependence on activation energy. Activation energy EA, the least amount of energy needed for a chemical reaction to take place. Enzymes as a catalyst act as a substrate in such a way that they lower the activation energy by changing the route of the reaction. The reduction of activation energy, that is EA, increase the amount of reactant molecules that achieve a sufficient level of energy so that they reach the activation energy and form the product. The example, carbonic anhydrase catalyzes the hydration of 10⁶ carbon dioxide molecule per second, which is a 10⁷ faster than spontaneous hydration. See the progress of reaction, which is present on x-axis, and on y-axis energy level of molecules. See the enzymes lower the activation energy of a reaction. See the curve. Kinetics of enzymes catalysis. Enzymes catalysis, it is an increase in the rate of reaction with the help of enzymes as a catalyst. Catalysis by enzymes that proceed via unique reaction mechanism typically occur when the transition state intermediate form a covalent bond with the enzymes, covalent catalysis. During the process of catalysis, enzymes always emerge unchanged at the completion of the reaction. Factors affecting rate of enzyme catalyzed reaction: temperature, hydrogen ion concentration, that is pH, and then substrate concentration. First we study the effect of temperature. Rising the temperature increases the rate of enzyme catalyzed reaction by increasing kinetic energy of reacting molecules. Enzymes work maximum over a particular temperature known as optimum temperature. Enzymes for humans generally exhibit stability temperature up to 30 to 45 degrees Celsius. The temperature coefficient is a factor Q10 by which the rate of biological process increase for a 10 degrees Celsius increase in temperature. For most biological processes, that is Q10 is equal to 2. However, sometimes heat energy can also increase kinetic energy to a point that exceeds the energy barrier, which results in denaturating the enzyme. See the x-axis and y-axis, the graph. On y-axis rate of reaction, then temperature, is peak point 40 degree, that is a denaturate, and at 5 to 40 degree increase in activity. Effect of pH. Rate of almost all enzymes catalyze reactions depend on pH. Most enzymes exhibit optimal activity of pH value between 5 and 9. High or low pH value than optimum value will causes ionization of enzyme, which result in denaturation of enzyme. See the graph. On x-axis pH and y-axis increase enzyme activity. See, the optimum pH is 8. Then pH affect the formation of hydrogen bond and sulfur bridges in proteins and so affect shape. See the 3 examples: pepsin, trypsin and arginine. Then their rate of reaction at specific pH. pH, that is, if acidic, then pepsin is highest effect, trypsin at between the 6 and 8 and arginine at the 8 and 10 in between these. Then Michaelis-Menten model and effects of substrate concentration. The Michaelis-Menten model. According to this model, the enzyme reversibly combines with a substrate to form an ES complex that subsequently yield product regenerating the free enzymes. E plus S, after doing reaction, ES is formed, and after K2 then E plus P is released, where S is the substrate, E is the enzyme, ES is the enzyme substrate complex, P is the product, K1 and K2 are the rate constant. Michaelis-Menten equation. It is an equation which describes how reaction velocity varies with a substrate concentration, that is V0 is equal to Vmax into substrate concentration divided by Km plus substrate concentration, where V0 is the initial reaction velocity, Vmax is the maximum velocity, Km is the Michaelis constant, K plus K1 plus K2 divided by K1, and S is the substrate concentration. Assumption for Michaelis-Menten equation. Following assumptions are made in deriving the Michaelis-Menten equation: relative concentration of enzyme and substrate ES, steady state assumptions and initial velocity. See the substrate concentration, the enzyme concentration versus reaction rate. It is a straight line plot, and another plot, substrate concentration versus reaction rate. It is a curve plot. Then substrate concentration in Michaelis-Menten plot, that is V is equal to Vmax into S divided by Km plus S. The substrate concentration versus initial reaction rate is curve plot. Then pharmaceutical importance of enzymes. Enzymes are virtually involved in all physiological processes, which makes them the targets of choice for drugs that cure or ameliorate human disease. Applied enzymes kinetics represents the principal tool by which scientists identify and characterize therapeutic agent that selectively inhibit the rates of specific enzymes catalyze processes. Enzymes kinetics thus play a critical role in drug discovery as well as elaborating the mode of action of drug. Thank you.